tayong verifiable information as to the reported na warrant of arrest issued by the ICC. Linawin lang po natin ito, ma'am. Nakausap po natin yung mga taga Davao po, and according to them, yung mga movement po ng ating mga kapulisan doon is just part of the simulation exercise and relating po sa kanilang security preparation for Davao. And we have to stress the point po na this is not only limited po sa Davao, even yung other regions po ay nagkakonduct po ng simulation exercise, communication exercise, and other tabletop exercise. Again, as part of our security preparation for election po. This has nothing to do doon sa mga issues relating doon sa alleged issuance po ng warrant of arrest ng ICC. Wala po tayong hawak na anumang warrant of arrest issued by the local courts against sa dating Pangulo po. Well, on the part of the PNP ay dadaan tayo sa proseso